Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm sharing how to use WP Accordion plugin. First, I need to add the plugin, upload plugin, and choose file, or I can drag and drop the plugin here, and then click install now. And activate plugin. The plugin is activated. Now I can use this any theme or on a post. I'm using on theme editor. I can place the block here. My block name is WP Accordion. This is here, WP Accordion. Click on this. I can change this text, this title and description, colors. So I'm changing this main title to FA, and the color is I'm keeping it black. The background is global. That means if I change the background from here, the background applies to every accordion item. And also I can turn on the individual item background color toggler. If I turn on this, I can see an option here. This option is individual. Every accordion contains this option, and this is awesome. So if I am changing this, the background is changing. I'm turning off this option and changing the background from here. I think this is good. If I change the text color to white, it's looking more good. So I need to change the title and description. So I'm changing this. My accordion is ready. If I need another item, I can click add item to add another. Can change this also. I can add item as many as I want. So I think my accordion is ready. Now just save this and see this page. See, my accordion is ready, and this is responsive. If I am go to mobile version, I can see this is responsive. So thank you.